Tired of juggling multiple credit card statements and struggling to reconcile them in QuickBooks Online? Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Banking tab on the left-hand menu of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where all your connected bank and credit card accounts reside. You'll see a list of your connected credit card accounts. Let's start with the first one. Click on the tile that says Reconcile. If it's your first time reconciling, you may need to set up the account. Now, select the correct credit card account from the Account drop-down menu. Ensure you choose the correct one, then enter the ending balance and ending date from your credit card statement into the corresponding fields. Double-check this information. QuickBooks will now display a list of transactions. This is where the matching begins. Compare each transaction on your QuickBooks list with your physical statement and check the boxes that match. For transactions that don't automatically match, manually find them in the list and check them off. If a transaction is missing, you'll need to add it to QuickBooks. Pay special attention to any service charges or interest payments on your statement. If these aren't already in QuickBooks, use the Add function to record them in the appropriate expense account. Keep reconciling until the difference at the top right corner reads 0. This means everything matches perfectly. Once the difference is 0, click the Finish Now button. Congratulations, you've successfully reconciled one credit card. Repeat this exact process for each of your other credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online. Remember to be thorough and double-check everything to maintain accurate financial records.